welcome to Drawing Hub. So this is Computer Graphics and Image Processing Module 1 Part 10. So in this video we'll be doing problems of DDA algorithm. The first question. Use DDA line algorithm to plot the line with endpoints 2, 1 and 8, 5. Okay. Now the slope is given at 0.6667. Okay. How did we get that? We have to find it out. So the only thing given here, the question is only use DDA line algorithm to plot the line with endpoints. This much is the question. And now we have to find the answer. Okay. Okay. Now the endpoints given here is 2. So the endpoints given here are 2, 1 and 8, 5. And using this, we have to find the DDA algorithm. So we have to use the DDA algorithm to plot the points. Okay. Now here, x is given, x1. What is x1? It is 2. Now we are writing what all we have. What is given? x1 is 2 and y1 is 1. x2 is 8 and y2 is 5. Now with this we can find m. So in the previous video we have discussed about the formula of m. What is m? M is equal to delta y by delta x. Now then again, what is delta y? Delta y is equal to y2 minus y1. So what is delta x? It is x2 minus x1. Okay. So now m is equal to, what is delta y over here? 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1. And what is delta x? x2 minus x1. That is 8 minus 2. Now m is equal to 4 by 6. Okay. Now we take the decimal form. So we will get m is equal to 0. Right here. So here we get m is equal to 0.667. Now to find the value of y, we have the formula current value of y plus slope. Now in the previous video we have discussed about y and x's formula. That is y is equal to yk plus m, and for x, xk plus 1 by m. If it is delta x, we are taking equal to 1. In that case yk plus 1. That is, if it is traveling from left to right direction, then we take this formula. Okay, now we will draw a table like this. We have point x, y and pixel point. We have point x, y. We can also write point as k. Okay, x, y. Now a first point, you can write here point 1. So here point 1, x. What is x given? It is already given as 2, 1. So now that since it is given, we can write 2, 1. So the pixel point here, a round off value is written over here in pixel point. So there is no need to round off because it is a whole number. So now we will write 2, 1. So since this is not in fraction, we can write just as it is. Now the second point, that is point 2. What is point 2? That is increment. X is being incremented here. With how much x is being incremented? With 1. So x will be 3. And in order to find y, we have to use the formula y equal to current value of y plus slope. Okay, so what is the current value of y? Current value of y is 1. So 1 plus, what is the slope over here? The slope here is 0.667. So I am writing 0.67 as of now. So now that is 1.67. Okay, so 1.67 is the value of 1. So 1.67. Here I have to round off. So here x's value will not change, it will be 3. But y's value we are rounding it off, since this is greater than 5, it will be 2. So 3, 2 is the answer. Now next we have to go to point 3. Incrementing x by, so this is x's table, right? So we are increment x by 1, we will get 4. And what is the value? How do we calculate y? Yk plus m. that is a proper formula. Yk is a previous, that is the current value of y plus the slope. That is a simple formula. So yk plus m. Now we are having 1.67 as yk, the current value of y, and 0.67 as the slope. And then we will get the y value as 2.32. 2.32. Now rounding off, we will get it as 4 and 2 other values. Now in 0.4, similarly we add x by 1, we increment it by 1 and we get 3.001. So that is 5 comma 3 is the pixel position. Now 0.5 we are taking, so we'll get 6, x value we incremented it, then 3.668. So that is 6 comma 4. Now we have reached the 7th position where 8 is x's value, and here when we calculate, we will get 5.002 as y's value, and when we round off, we will get 8 comma 5. Now look over here. Look over here. I think this is clear. See, the pixel point, it started from 2 comma 1 and it ended at 8.5. What is given to us initially? It was given 2 comma 1 is the beginning and 8 comma 5 is the ending. So we have successfully plotted the values. Now this is the answer for this question. See, this verify if you got the correct answer. Okay, now we have another question, that is use DDA line algorithm to plot the line with endpoints 2 comma 4 and 9 comma 9. Now this one I can do similarly. Then we have another question, use DDA line algorithm to plot the line with endpoints 25 15 and 35 18. Then use DDA line algorithm to plot the line with endpoints 20 10 and 30 18. Then we have the advantages and disadvantages of digital differentials, that is the DDA algorithm. The advantage is that DDA is simple algorithm to implement and faster algorithm than the direct line equation, and it also eliminates multiplication. But in disadvantage, the floating point arithmetic implementation is very time consuming, as we have just seen now, and the method of round is also time consuming. Sometimes the position, that is point position, will not be accurate. So this is about the problem. You can try all these problems. So in the next video, we'll be learning about Bresenham's line drawing algorithm. So till then, bye bye.